Struggling to type square roots in Microsoft Word? Stop pasting them from other apps or trying to draw them with weird fonts. There is a built-in tool that does this instantly, and by the end of this tutorial, you are going to be inserting professional radicals in seconds. So here is the plan. We are going to click through the Insert tab, find Equation, then choose Radicals. After that, we will type in your numbers, 3 clicks, and you are done. Let me show you exactly how that looks on a real Word document, step by step. Alright, let us start. First, you want to look at the very top of your Word window for the tab that says Insert. It is usually up there with Home, Design, and Layout. Go ahead and click on Insert. This is where Word hides all the powerful stuff that is not just regular text, like pictures, shapes, and yes, math equations. Now that we are in the Insert tab, you are going to look to the far right side of the ribbon. There is a button labeled Equation. It has a little pi symbol on it. Click on that. And here is the really important part. When you click it, a new box appears in your document and a new tab appears up top called Equation Tools. That is where we are headed next. So now that we have that equation box on the page, look at the Equation Tools ribbon. You will see a section called Structures. In that section, there is a button that says Radical. It has a square root symbol on it. Click that button and a drop-down menu appears. You will see a few options here. You have the basic square root, which is just a checkmark-looking symbol. You have the one with a box for a number inside. And you will also see options for cube roots and fourth roots. For now, go ahead and click on the first one, the basic square root structure. And here is the part that makes this tool magical. When you click that radical structure, it places a complete square root symbol in your equation box. You will see it has a placeholder box inside the radical and another placeholder box to the right. These are ready for you to type into. So click on the box inside the radical first. Type in the number you want to take the square root of. For example, let us type 25. See how it fits perfectly inside that symbol? It looks professional right away. Now what if you need a cube root or a fourth root? That is a really common question. If you just need a square root, you are already done. But if you need a different index, that little number above the check mark, here is what you do. Go back to that radical button in the Equation Tools ribbon. In that drop-down menu, look for the option that shows an n with a square root. It is often called the nth root. Click on that one. This time, you get an extra placeholder box, a small one up in the corner of the radical. That small box is where you type in your index number. So for a cube root, you would type a 3 in that tiny box. Then click on the main box under the radical and type your number. That is all it takes. Let me give you a quick tip on formatting. Once you have your radical in the document, you might want to make it look a little cleaner. You can highlight the whole equation box, then use the Home tab to change the font size if you need it to match your document. You can also center the equation box on the page by clicking on it and using the alignment tools. Word treats it like a little object, so you can move it around pretty easily. And here is a final step to make it yours. Once you have typed in your numbers and adjusted the index, you can click anywhere else in the document to slide that equation into place. It will sit right in line with your text or on its own line, depending on what you need. And that is it. From fumbling with manual formatting or copying from other programs to inserting a perfect radical in seconds, give it a try yourself and you will see just how quick it really is.